As you can see, he's already started budding for his first retwist, so I didn't have to do a lot of cleanup as his buds held majority of the hair in. So I was able to palm roll for his first retwist, and I was super excited about it. He's one of the few clients that I have had where the hair budded immediately or within the first couple months of putting in his starter locks.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light, ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah, but I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said. How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?
After this, we did a simple blow dry for about 15 to 20 minutes. As his locks are new and I didn't really use a lot of gel, it was easy. He didn't have to sit under there for very long. So please like this video for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe if you haven't already, and thanks for watching.